Alright, picture this, a huge pot bubbling away, the ocean breeze in your hair, and the smell of fresh lobster floating through the air. I'm talking about the ultimate lobster boil, and trust me, you haven't lived until you've tried this. First, you need the freshest lobster you can get your hands on. If you can, pick them up straight from a local market. It makes all the difference. Next, toss in red potatoes, corn on the cob, and spicy sausage into that big old pot. Let everything soak up those savory juices. Now here comes the magic. Drop in the lobsters. You'll know they're ready when they turn that perfect bright red. And hey, don't forget a couple of lemons, a stick of butter or two. No judgment. The real secret, it's not just about what's in the pot. It's about the people you share it with. Spread out some newspaper, dump that glorious feast right in the middle, and dig in with your hands. There's no fancy table manners here, just pure, messy, delicious fun. If you've never done a lobster boil, make this your summer bucket list thing. The flavors, the laughs, the memories you'll make, honestly, it doesn't get any better. So grab your friends, crank up those beach tunes, and get boiling. Because the best meals are the ones that bring everyone together. Trust me, you'll never look at seafood the same way again.